Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to use Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe, how to admin it. So the first thing I'm going to do is opening my Snapchat application. And after opening a Snapchat application, you will get this interface with a camera roll, and from here you can capture your picture and you can send it to your story. You can save this captured photo from here. You can write a text, you can draw, you can edit your text. And if I cross this and if you click on chat, here you will find your all the conversation, your all the friends conversation. And if I tap on these friends from here I can easily send him a message. Also, if I want to send a voice message to this friend, I have to click on this mic icon. I have to press and hold this mic icon, then I have to say the message. And if I release this, the voice message will be sent. And this is a very easy process, just like Facebook Messenger. So here's nothing to show you. So I'm going back, and if I want to search your conversation, you can click on this little search icon, and from here easily search any kind of conversation and click on it. And from here you can create a new group. Okay, you can create a new group from here. So if I click on this plus icon, from here we can easily add friends like the way I'm adding. That's it. So I'm going back. Now let's click on stories, and from here I'll be able to see all the stories from my friend. Right now here is no stories available because of I don't have any friends on my account, because my account is just created. So spotlight means you can see videos from many friends profile, and just like TikTok. Okay, now I'm clicking on this map icon here, and from here you will be able to see your map. And as you can see my location, from here we can see our exact location, and we can zoom in and zoom out to see proper location of us. So okay, and you can click on settings to turn off your location and turn on your location using this toggle. Okay, now let's see how to open your profile. So opening your profile, you have to click on this little profile icon to the upper left hand corner, and finally here is my profile. And create my Bitmoji. If I click on it, from here I can create a Bitmoji from my profile. And Bitmoji means a profile picture using a Snapchat avatar. So here you have to put your face. Okay, after putting your face in this circle, you will get a Bitmoji from Snapchat. So for now I'm skipping this, and from here you can change the Bitmoji color. You can customize your Bitmoji from here. So I'm going back from here, and here we can see my username is available here. And if I want to verify or add my email account, from here we can do it. And add to my story, by clicking on it I can easily add a story. I'm capturing a photo of my laptop keyboard, then I'm clicking on send. Okay, and here we can see my story has been added into my Snapchat account. And if I want to delete this story, I'm clicking on this three dot icon, and from here I can save this story, I can delete this story. So I'm going to delete this one. And friends, add friends. From here you can easily add friends to your account. Just click on add, then your friends will be added. And if you want to see your friend list, so you have to click on my friends, and here you will get your all the friends account. Right now I don't have friends, so this list is empty. And if you want to open your settings, so you have to click on this settings icon to the right hand corner, and then here you will be able to see all your settings options, and you can change any settings from here. Like here's my username and the account name, birthday, mobile number, email, password, and here is everything you can change easily. So this was the key option about how to use Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.